Hey guys, today we're gonna do the unboxing of the new Skullcandy headphones. There is a microphone included, and this is the presentation in the box. As you can see, there is the instruction at the back, and the box is pretty light, pretty simple, for a $20 price tag. Now we're gonna open the box. Alright, now we're gonna open the box. The first thing you do is pulling it out. The first thing is the manual function. Let's see what it comes with. A glossary and a warning. This is for the warranty. So there's a warranty tag in there. And this is the track control manual. It shows you how it works and how you make it work. Alright, so now we're gonna pull this out, which is the aux cord entry. And as soon as you took that one out, you're gonna take the first headphone out. That's probably the left side. And as you can see, the package is really clever. It gives you shams for your earpieces. Now the headphones. Alright, as you can see, this is basic headphones. You have your earpiece, silicone, pretty steady. It's holding. This is to hold your ear. Then you have your microphone entry here, and your aux entry. Putting in the jack.